Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our YouTube channel. Our criminal defense law firm in Illinois has over 400 perfect reviews and a long history of client satisfaction, dismissals, charge reductions, and victories. We have created these audio articles to help protect your freedom, reputation, and rights. If hired for your case, we will not give up until you get fair justice. DUI second offense lawyer in Southern Illinois. At Combs Waterkotte, our entire practice is dedicated to protecting individuals in Southern Illinois. Good people in difficult situations. If you're facing DUI second offense charges, you may feel overwhelmed, hopeless, or intimidated, and understandably so. But we are here to help fight for you. DUI second offense attorney in Southern Illinois. Facing a second DUI charge in Southern Illinois is a serious situation, with higher stakes and far more severe penalties than a first offense. You're not just looking at potential jail time, you're facing a longer license suspension, steeper fines, and a permanent impact on your record. A second DUI conviction can hit you a lot harder than the first one, but that doesn't mean you don't have options in Southern Illinois. At Combs Waterkotte, we know what it takes to defend repeat DUI cases effectively. Our team brings aggressive strategies, detailed investigation, and a reputation for results to every case. We don't judge, we defend. And we fight to protect your freedom, your future, and your license. Penalties for a second DUI in Illinois. While a first DUI may be treated as a wake-up call, a second DUI is treated much more harshly under Illinois law. A second DUI conviction is still a Class A misdemeanor, but mandatory minimum penalties apply, and the consequences can disrupt your life significantly. Mandatory minimum of 5 days in jail or 240 hours of community service. Up to 1 year in jail and $2,500 in fines. Driver's license revocation for 5 years, if within 20 years of the first offense. Mandatory alcohol education or treatment. Required installation of a breath alcohol ignition interlock device, BAIID. Possible vehicle impoundment or forfeiture. These penalties are even more severe if there are aggravating factors, such as a BAC of 0.16 or higher, a child passenger, or a crash involving injury. With so much at stake, you need a defense team that knows the law and the Southern Illinois courts, inside and out. How we defend second DUI offenses in Southern Illinois. At Combs Waterkotte, our goal is to protect your rights, challenge the prosecution's case, and minimize the penalties. We prepare every DUI defense like it's going to trial, because that's what it takes to get results. Our strategies include challenging the legality of the initial traffic stop, identifying errors in field sobriety test administration, investigating whether breath or blood tests were performed and processed correctly, using video and expert witnesses to dispute signs of impairment, negotiating reduced charges or sentencing alternatives where appropriate. Whether your first DUI was recent or over a decade ago, we bring an experienced, strategic approach to every step of your defense. Second DUI and commercial drivers. If you hold a commercial driver's license, CDL, a second DUI offense, even while driving your personal vehicle, can result in a lifetime disqualification of your CDL. This is a catastrophic outcome for truck drivers, delivery professionals, and anyone who relies on a CDL to earn a living. We understand the urgency of protecting your ability to work, and we work aggressively to contest DUI charges for CDL holders across Southern Illinois. How to get your license back after second DUI in Illinois. If your driver's license has been revoked, you must do the following to have driving privileges reinstated. Have a clear driving record, no other tickets, charts, infractions. Undergo an evaluation. If a problem is indicated by the counselor, proof of treatment must be submitted. Complete a remedial education program. Even if your evaluation doesn't recommend treatment, you are still required to complete this program for reinstatement. Appear before a Secretary of State hearing officer in Mount Vernon or Springfield. You also must pay a non-refundable $50 filing fee. Demonstrate during the hearing that public safety will not be endangered if your driving privileges are restored. File proof of financial responsibility, SR 22, prior to reinstatement. Pay $500 reinstatement fee. Pass the driver's license exam, written, vision, and driving, and pay application fee. The Combs Waterkotte DUI second offense lawyers can help get your license back. Call now at 618-88-CRIME or reach out online to discuss the specifics of your case with an expert DUI defense attorney in Southern Illinois. How a Combs Waterkotte, Southern Illinois, second DUI defense lawyer can help. No matter how your first DUI case ended, facing a second offense raises the stakes significantly, and you need an experienced legal team that knows how to push back. At Combs Waterkotte, our Southern Illinois DUI attorneys understand the heightened penalties, license consequences, and court scrutiny that come with a second DUI charge. We've helped clients in your position protect their driving privileges, avoid jail time, and minimize the long-term damage to their records. What can happen if you don't hire a DUI second offense lawyer in Southern Illinois? You face mandatory jail time that might have been avoidable. You risk a 5-year license revocation without options for relief. You may accept a plea deal without understanding the consequences. You might miss crucial deadlines for appealing the license suspension. You'll have fewer options for treatment or sentencing alternatives. You could be subject to unchallenged, flawed evidence. You may face harsher and unexpected financial penalties. Your future opportunities may be limited by a permanent DUI record. Why you need a lawyer for a second DUI in Illinois. The legal system does not treat second DUI offenses lightly. Without experienced representation, you risk mandatory jail time, long-term license revocation, and a permanent criminal record. You're not alone, and you don't have to accept the worst possible outcome. Let us help you fight for a better result. Hiring Combs Waterkotte means relentless advocacy from a team with over 6 decades of combined experience. Proven success reducing or dismissing second DUI charges. Deep knowledge of Illinois DUI law and local court systems. Ongoing support, clear communication, and honest case assessments. Why choose Combs Waterkotte for a second DUI in Southern Illinois? When you're facing a second DUI, you need more than just a lawyer. You need a strategic partner who knows how to protect everything you've worked for. We don't just take cases, we take action. When your future is on the line, trust the firm that knows how to protect it, Combs Waterkotte. We understand the gravity of a second offense and how to negotiate, challenge, and fight with purpose. Deep understanding of Illinois DUI statutes and sentencing options. Thorough review of police video, arrest records, and chemical test procedures. Personalized attention and aggressive representation from day one.